the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
Ghana for asomo yo mode. Okay, about audio na e trend no ai some of them him say me dey bia me ba be kire me kontokwa me bo obi edua senya politics a me ni mo say obi use obi din e dey bragi e dey wawa no ho a ye fa ne serious me chia mo nyina anofo misbelievers me chia mo nyina. Okay, so about the audio net trend, maybe some question. Me, as a mama making a question. Ghana for Yenti Kromuha and a doctor you and a buyer. Ebe you sue Kofi and 19 Eddie Fraud and Crow for Mama Wadana. NC and a doctor UN. Eba be you sue ni patitru. Ne patitru pa bi se Kofi anan Edi ma award ama odi fraud ni patitru for me bisa NC enti se obi yusu ni patitru bi din edi bragi me na me ye close to ni patitru we me na me ni patitru we call out me want a number me ni create a picture da makoni phone so kra kwa ko messages bi da enu no e kire se eye nu kra na e bin see da enkrofon yusu eni patitru fo edin enfa ni nkwasi asem does it mean say eye true? My second question me ba chewo mo ka say na papa no asem ne ba ye ene ye defend you and na be play victim and na say shame all of you. Say the audio here be e kire say and na Mzbel say unya innocent say ni Mzbel we ye nipa boni say na Mzbel we ni papa no go out and me pa cho what does the audio prove? What does the audio prove? Does the audio prove say nipa na wa frame me no a accusing me say wa ko me message e woni patichu bi phone so a me say no does it mean say you no kre? And in the politics into me use we nyansan kakra even me ba when you're 19 years want to me cry and have access to the phone just like that to get anything password that's so u break it password no cry ni WhatsApp password that's so ni text message password that's so ni gallery cry password that's so ain't no politics into mugin say obiya keke ebetimi abeni pachichiru bi anya access to the phone akohu obi message was so about be friend pano aka say na me call ni pachichiru way phone so and na me hu number and na me hu me file number was so and na me screenshot to message and na wako come hu asem way blah 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 mu feel say it is possible like that ain't it is true ain't me any pa boni ain't me pa no so ye ni mgo asini. Hey, yet me kwani patichu be phone so ko messages be just like that. Is it and your politics does this even make sense to you? Dr. UN, one member you so Kofi Annan didn't have fraud into true for Kromuha. Does it mean say Dr. UN only Kofi Annan and answer is connected to anybody in Kofi Annan's office? Maybe some it is so obia frame me. Accusing me of something I have no clue of. Something I don't even think that it is possible. Anka MYB partner can more expect it. What mommy be a specific question just to know say any pay some okay. Does it make sense to one kasana? say my call be phone so and I mean who yeah with my eyes I have evidence say why you who yeah editing be edit sending no say me hey na mama off for sa me bad John Kitwa 19 years konya for sa my 19 years old son you can't have access to his phone and screenshot messages and maybe some ain't say obi you so opening bidding just to brag, just to feel important, just so people will feel say, hey, wait, only papa when they go out, or your big girl, only when they go out. Does it make it true? Does it make it true? Audio in a buy in a proof say Mzbel say if defend win na mama baba yes na mama baba yes. What does the audio prove? Does the audio prove say Makoka obi? Does the audio prove say nipa na wa frame no asema o kan kra eye no kre enkrofo use enkrofo di nfa ndwom anum me kra me ti he krampo enkrofo te me frame now I am asking a question just like that pakika no ha say ha network in just like that suddenly what to baby no be afro makohu message if any say one can I mean using as example makohu message being Clinton phones and kind of I'm asking a question say just like that no be afro Mzbel me pacho say any saint ni ebeye busunya na I have seen something makohu messages ewo Kofi Annan phone so Kofi Annan ni patichu Kofi Annan phone so anas makohu messages ewo baby wo dide matam me confronting nipa no na ubisa say enti Kofi Annan asem pa na wo kan ya does it make it true say asema nipa ne kan true ana nipa use nipa true fooding just to feel important nipa use nipa true fooding just to brag ana enti audio here amutie ye enti mu hu say nipa na wa frame yo accuse me no brag no brag ana just to feel important, just to make me know say oh I'm connected to this person to the point say I even have access to the person's phone mu hu say nipa no kwasi asamo no kanana me ba when you're 19 years, you can't even have access to his phone easily like that. Me say me ba when you're 19 years. Who call the phone so WhatsApp no be password that so gallery password that so text message password that so bibia audio music crowd take password that so. And in audio now air trend and what does it even prove? Say audio in na actually say papa no asem na ye ka no asimasi. And to say nipa no try say obe nipa way and so access to nipa way phone and say or ye nipa way girl. Does it make it true? Evidence it is an kanya politics and kikadia one kanya big deal. I don't any before any bonny for sir. Say mo defending me say me play victim. Me play victim the same. Prep Cooper, what's a baby or be afro and accuse you of something that you don't even think is possible. Nanka, mommy be a specific question just to know any person more can I turn a sumana. Does it even make sense? Mommy be a specific question. Ain't me any paponi, ain't nipa no so I can ask no or ye dramai or ye day or the Nisika ye say. Ain't nipa you sunipedi and fan braggy and fan trantro and ye chromo honey yeti and a doctor you and kofa a ye cocktail shaker. Spray who go do and the you so Kofi Annan D and the fraud it's true for Chroma. Is it true? Extra man say and true. Man fine answer some. And then a moon fast some way answer some. And then a moon casa by you our friend Mzbel or can quasi same or ya correct. Because want to mean Yanipa true bis have access to Nipa true before no sir. Hey, Ghana for my use ya dream politics into yen use ya dream. Why are we like that? Why are we like that? What does the audio prove? Say Yampa. Papa no ya Mahama. Papa no ya Mahama because na Mzbel bisa say Mahama asem na wo kan na say Mahama kasa na catch o say no. But wait oh. Say enya adwin boni mpo a adenti na wo fro bi na wo ne edi obi hu nkomo na wo recording. Adenti na audio ni dada de nyina audio no amma out na 2 days to election as an audio no ba out. Adenti na ye nipa boni for sir. Why? What does the audio prove? So be eba no be ka say mako we phone so akohu say ni say anani patitri we kra ma confront no say enti Mzbel na ya or screenshot ni amade ma wo or say me ama wo no so be efa phone no from no kasa doesn't make it true. Nipa use ni patitri din and fam brag just to feel important.